Is it time to buy or sell the QQQ ETF? In this video, we will explore the QQQ ETF in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 27th of August, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You won't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 26th of August, 2024, our system has identified QQQ as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of negative 2.15. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this period. In an unexpected turn, the stock has outperformed our system's predictions, reflecting a gain of 0.30%. This results in an average return of 0.15% per day since it was classified as a sell candidate. The exchange-traded fund is currently navigating within a broad and stable trend, and we can anticipate further movements within this range. Analyzing the recent 3-month trend, it indicates a potential change of approximately negative 0.578% over the upcoming 3 months, with possible returns fluctuating between negative 9.47% and positive 4.56%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of 33.38% over the next year, with potential returns ranging from 23.66% to 45.64%. This indicates a projected price range of $589.58 to $694.37 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for QQQ includes the headline, QQQ ETF price up nearly 0.3% on Tuesday. The QQQ ETF price increased by nearly 0.3% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 27th of August, 2024. The price rose from $475.34 to $476.76. During that trading day, the ETF experienced fluctuations of 1.3%, ranging from a low of $471.71 to a high of $477.83. The price has risen in 7 of the last 10 days and has increased by 3.07% over the past 2 weeks. Volume decreased on the last day by 105,000 shares, with a total of 27 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $12.720 billion. It is important to consider that falling volume alongside rising prices can indicate divergence and may serve as an early warning for potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF reached $503.52, while the lowest was $342.35. Currently, the price stands 5.31%, or $26.76, below the 52-week high of $503.52, which also marks the all-time high for the ETF. The Invesco QQQ exchange-traded fund is experiencing a resurgence as major technology indexes, including the Nasdaq 100, rebound from a recent slump. Over the last few weeks, QQQ has seen a notable uptick, gaining approximately 5.47%, rekindling investor interest as it strives to return to its 52-week highs. Analysts are optimistic about a possible soft landing for the economy as macroeconomic indicators improve. This scenario suggests that risk premiums for QQQ have lessened, positioning the exchange-traded fund favorably and potentially attracting more investors seeking exposure to high-growth technology stocks. With the rise of interest in artificial intelligence and technology, QQQ remains a prime choice for those focused on long-term growth. Additionally, Recent power inflow signals indicate increased buying momentum, which could further drive its stock price upward in the near term. The exchange-traded fund's robust performance is bolstered by its composition, featuring numerous top technology and artificial intelligence stocks that have proven resilient and profitable. In the long term, QQQ continues to present a compelling investment opportunity for growth-focused investors, especially those looking for diversification in their portfolios. As sentiment turns more positive and investment flows strengthen, the outlook for QQQ remains bright, with the potential for sustained price appreciation as the technology sector leads the market recovery. The following signals have been identified for the QQQ. The QQQ ETF currently holds a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Given that the short-term average is above the long-term average, there is an overall buy signal for the ETF, suggesting a positive outlook for the stock. If the ETF continues to gain, it will encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $478.71. Conversely, if it declines, the ETF will find support from the long-term average at around $470.07. A breakout above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a breakdown below the long-term average will lead to a sell signal. Additionally, a buy signal is indicated from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Notably, volume decreased during the last trading day, even as prices rose. This discrepancy between volume and price may serve as an early warning, indicating the need for close monitoring of the ETF. Some negative signals have also been generated, which could impact short-term developments. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Wednesday, August 21, 2024, suggesting further declines until a new bottom pivot is established. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal 5 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 17 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 5 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 10 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 6 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 12 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 12 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 192 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Let's discuss support, risk, and stop-loss levels for QQQ. On the downside, the exchange-traded fund finds support just below today's level, specifically from accumulated volume at $448.75 and $439.53. There is an inherent risk when an exchange-traded fund tests a support level. If this level is breached, the fund may decline to the next support level. In this case, QQQ has support just below today's level at $448.75. If this support is broken, the next levels of support from accumulated volume will be at $439.53 and $435.37. This exchange-traded fund typically shows average movements throughout the day with solid trading volume, which categorizes the risk as medium. Over the last day, the fund fluctuated $6.12 between its highest and lowest points, representing a change of 1.3%. In the past week, the average daily volatility for the fund has been 1.58%. Before we dive into the potential favorable trading levels for QQQ, let's briefly review some essential fundamental data. First, consider the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A relatively low PE ratio may indicate that there are low expectations for the company's future or suggest that the stock is undervalued, pointing to a possible buying opportunity. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for QQQ. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for QQQ is at $479.49. If you do not own any shares, it may be prudent to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could serve as a consideration for swing trading. On the downside, QQQ faces its first support level at $448.75. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our assessment of this exchange-traded fund is unfavorable, and we have not established a stop-loss order. Is QQQ ETF a good buy? Currently, QQQ presents several negative indicators, leading us to believe it will likely continue to underperform in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, we maintain a negative outlook on this ETF. Upon analyzing the volatility and market movements from the last trading day, our assessment indicates that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 28th of August, we anticipate QQQ will open lower by $1.33, starting at $475.43. We want to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of losing money. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any purchases or sales of securities. Your investment decisions should not rely solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With best wishes from all of us here at Stock Invest.